Hello, my name is Maria Samaniego and I'll be working this problem using Newton's law of cooling. The question says as follows. Just before 6 p.m. students enter the classroom to find Mr. Feet's dead of an apparent homicide. At 6, the temperature of the body is 80 degrees, while at 7 it was 75. If the room is kept at a constant temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the time of death? So far I already plug in my numbers for my equation, and I have 75 because that was the temperature taken at 7. 70 was the constant temperature of the room, 80 was the temperature at 6, and 70 was the constant temperature, and e to the negative k. 1, it's because of the time after the body was found. So the first thing we do is do 75 minus 70. We're trying to isolate k, so we're gonna try it and do that. So we do 75 minus 70 equals 5 equals, and then we do 80 minus 70, which is 10, to the e to the negative k and 1. So then after that we move 10 to the other side, which is 5 over 10 equals e to the negative k over 1. So then we're trying to isolate k, remember that, so we're gonna do e to the other side, so it will be ln 5 over 10 equals negative k 1. So then we divide by negative 1 equals to negative ln 5 over 10 equals k. Once we plug this in the calculator, we're gonna get 0.69314718 equals k. Now, in order to find t, the time, the equation is gonna be slightly different. So the equation is as follows: 80 equals 70 plus 98.6 minus 70 times e to 0.69314718 to the t, because we're trying to find t. So the first thing we do is get 70 to the other side, which is going to be 10, equals 98.6 minus 70 is 28.6 to the times e to the 0.69314718 t. So then after that we move 28.6 to the other side, so it's 10 over 28.6 equals e to the 0.69314718 t. So then we move e to the other side, so it's ln 10 over 28.6 equals 0.69314718 t. And then to isolate t, we have to divide by this number, so it's ln 10 over 28.6 over 0.69314718 equals t. Once we plug this into the calculator as we see it, we're gonna get 1.5 equals t. If we recall the information that was given to us, the body was found at 6. So that means the time, it was 1.5 equals 1.5 hour. So it had passed 1.5 hours since the body had been found at 6. So that means that the time of death was at 4:30. Time of death was at 4:30, and that's our answer. Thank you.